Our hike today is left hand, North Millcreek they also call it, and it starts with this little jeeping adventure which is called Potato Salad Hill. Well, we've got some participants today making it look easy. And this is the power dam area with these beautiful waterfalls all around and that over there. But this, even as beautiful as it is not our destination. Our destination is up the canyon, so we're gonna go there now. I'm gonna hate my life decision and not wearing my grippy shoes. All right, this is kind of pretty. I've resorted to just walking through this. I wore water shoes today and it actually feels pretty good. But I look up and find this is pretty cool because the way the rock is not normal from our normal. Look at that. Petroglyphs. I always like to find my favorite one. Wow. I like this guy right here with the wings. Crazy.
Hey, I didn't even make it. Hey, barely wet.
She's got her hands in her pockets.
That large log is not solid.
Woo! Oh, good. Uh-oh, going back in. Look. This is a relatively quiet day. We've only seen a couple people and a couple dogs. Hi. And just a short walk. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. He is chilling. We have made it to left hand. Okay, I'm just looking around trying to figure out how we get to the top of this. I think we must have to go up there. But this is left hand. This is where a bunch of people jump off right here and right here and break their ankles and come see me in the OR. Oh my gosh, it's kind of windy, but we made our way up to the top of the waterfall now. Looking down on it. So pretty. Blue skies, but kind of windy. Oh my gosh, look at that! And just everywhere you look is beautiful. All right, typical Moab fashion. I am literally like wading in this water and it's getting deep, but this is so beautiful. I've never been up this far. My friends are just going along with me, turning corners, and we find this beautiful thing. But we also found this cute, and the birds were here. I'll post a picture of the birds. Woo! That's slippery. Nest. And they were just chilling right here on this log, living their best Moab, Utah life. And I almost fell in the drink. Woo! That would have been really cold getting out of here. But look at this awesome log that's fallen down. Coming over here. So crazy. We're deep in this canyon and my dad just called me and I had service, which is insane. There goes Amanda exploring. Steve, Tyler, my Florida friend. What a beautiful day in Moab. As luck would have it, right when I got out of the canyon, I got called into work for a broken leg, so I spent the rest of the evening at the hospital. But what a beautiful day. Thanks for joining us for hike number 22.